Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Idea Tab Plus, and today I want to show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold your power button and ignore if Gemini shows up, just keep on holding.
For that, you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network first.
So select power off from here and give it a moment for the device to turn off, and from there, once it does, you want to hold power button, volume up and down at the same time. So I'm going to grab the tablet as it's going to be a little bit easier for me to hold it, and I'm just going to smack my hand right here as the camera has a little bit of a hard time trying to focus on just black screen. So anyway, I'm going to hold them now. Now, when you see the Lenovo logo show up on a screen, which should be soon, you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up and down. Okay, and you can see this is our recovery mode. And in here, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down, depending on which one you press. So volume down will navigate down, and up subsequently will go up. And power button then will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, in here we have options like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Reboot to bootloader, which will take us to Fastboot mode, and same thing goes for the second option below that, which is Fastboot mode. Will also take us to Fastboot mode. Though these two modes look a little bit different. They're the same, but they look different. So this one, for instance, has a couple more options, which I will navigate to in a moment, just so you can see that. Anyway, next we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, even though there is no SD card tray. Apply updates from Udisk. Okay, wipe data. Mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So anyway, let's stick with the Fastboot mode right here, confirm it. And you can see this one has a couple options like Reboot System Now, which again takes us back to Android, enter recovery mode, which is the previous page, Reboot to bootloader, which again is a Fastboot mode, just without any kind of options. So you need to hold power button and volume down to leave that one, and power off. So anyway, I'm going to stick with the Reboot System Now, confirm it. And like I mentioned, this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.